let's do for it now. So I'm going to be using a tablespoon. Shake up the upper side of vinegar and measure it out like that. Okay, and then put a pinch of cinnamon powder into it. All right, and mix that like this. You see this? You want to drink this for at least 30 days. All right, yeah, drink it for about 30 days. And I'm going to tell you guys, the benefit is amazing. Then we're going to pour some water. All right. Yeah. So apple cider vinegar with cinnamon. All right. Yes. Very powerful recipe and one of the best you could ever do